ready to make your own facial mask at home? My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and I'm going to show you how to make an at-home oatmeal facial mask. Oatmeal is actually very calming and soothing to the skin, so it's great if you have any kind of sensitivity or maybe even a sunburn or windburn. What we're going to start with is 2 tablespoons of honey, also great for the skin. It fights infection and it smooths and brightens. We're going to add to that a 1/4 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt, that clarifies the skin, refines the pores. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of oats. Now, what you want to do is just get regular, generic oats and put them in a coffee grinder. Get a nice fine powder. So we're going to do that here. I got a 1/2 cup of oats in there. Just do it till it's nice and smooth. We have a nice fine powder. So I'm just going to dump that in there. And we're going to smooth it until it's a nice creamy mask. Now when you're using this mask, you can put it on with a facial brush if you want. You can grab it with your fingers. It smells really good. You're going to put it on, let it stay on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's great if you can do that in the shower because the steam really helps that mask to soak in. And do it twice a week. All right. Once you take that mask off, you can take it off, rinse it with warm water. Your skin's going to look smooth and calm and glowing. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is how you make an at-home oatmeal mask.